All right, what's poppin', everybody? It's your boy S-Quaatch, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast, and yo, I have a serious thing for Vomero 5s. No doubt, it's pretty crazy. Listen, the amount of Vomero 5s that I have. Shoe Hater brought me these for my birthday. And this is nowhere near all of them, nowhere near. Maybe one day I'll do a Vomero 5 showcase, and what better way would it be than to introduce this box right here. And you see, somebody, they could have closed my box properly, but it is what it is. I think that the person who did that just wasn't paying attention. But since I knew what this was when I got it, I decided to go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys. Unboxing with S-Quaatch for my latest Vomero pickup. All right. Now, I didn't see this one in a size. Why is there a rubber band on my joint? Now, I didn't see this in the size 15. Hopefully, I can find it later on at a later date, but I did cop this in a size 14. Not my favorite, but what I had to do, because I really, really wanted this colorway. And I could not find it in a size 15 nowhere. I literally scorched and scoured the internet. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the internet. And I could not find this. This is like Picante Red, and what color is it? Olive mustard or something, and Picante Red. Yo. Ooh. When I tell you that between these and the Pegasus lineup, when it comes to runners, just like I said, and the P6000s. Let's not talk about the actual 95s, because you already know that's reign supreme. I had to cop this, but I wanted to share with you guys. All right, so the Vomero 5 collection, which is, I promise you, one day I'm not even gonna tell you how many I'm at. It's probably embarrassing. And you want to know something funny? Share real quick. Fun fact. My Vomero 5 collection started with this one here. Was it this one here? No, it didn't start with this one here. But it started with this one here. This is the very first Vomero 5 I got, the Shashikos. I saw this and I was like, yo, I'm freaking copying this. Crazy as hell. And then came this one. And the reason this one came because I got it for $50 at Ross. You know your boy always in Ross. Got to stay in your stores, I'm telling you. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you. Want to give you guys a glimpse of my Vomero 5 collection. Just a little something. I don't know when. Maybe sometime, God will, later on. Nah, maybe at the beginning of the year I'll do it. A Vomero 5 showcase. But other than that, it's your boy S-Quaatch.
All you got to do is follow me